The Massey Ferguson 135 is an iconic tractor that has stood the test of time, and in 2025, its legacy continues to thrive in England. Farmers, collectors, and enthusiasts still admire its robust design, reliability, and efficiency. Whether you're a farmer looking to use this tractor for work or a collector who appreciates its classic build, the Massey Ferguson 135 remains a legendary piece of machinery. In this video, we will take you on a journey through the history, features, and performance of the Massey Ferguson 135, especially focusing on its presence in England in 2025. We'll explore why this tractor remains relevant today and how modern enhancements can complement its already strong foundation. The Massey Ferguson 135 was first introduced in the 1960s as part of the 100 series. It quickly gained popularity due to its durability, fuel efficiency, and easy maintenance. Powered by a Perkins engine, it provided farmers with the reliability they needed to get their daily tasks done efficiently. Even in 2025, many of these tractors are still in use, thanks to their sturdy build and the availability of spare parts. In England, agriculture remains an essential industry, and despite advancements in farming machinery, many farmers still prefer the Massey Ferguson 135 for its simplicity and effectiveness. It's easy to repair, cost-efficient, and performs exceptionally well for small to medium-sized farms. Whether it's plowing, tilling, or hauling, this tractor continues to prove its worth. Let's take a closer look at the design and functionality of the Massey Ferguson 135. The tractor has a classic red body with simple yet effective controls, making it easy to operate. The 3-cylinder diesel engine provides ample power for various farming tasks. The transmission system is smooth, allowing the operator to shift gears effortlessly. Its lightweight frame makes it easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces, which is a significant advantage for farmers with smaller fields. One of the reasons why this tractor remains popular in 2025 is its adaptability. Many owners have customized and upgraded their Massey Ferguson 135s with modern attachments, making them even more versatile. From hydraulic systems to advanced lighting and GPS tracking, these upgrades help bring the classic tractor into the modern era while maintaining its original charm. Another important factor that keeps this tractor in demand is its affordability. Compared to modern tractors, which can cost a fortune, the Massey Ferguson 135 offers a budget-friendly alternative without compromising on performance. It's an ideal choice for small-scale farmers who need reliable equipment but don't want to invest in expensive machinery. Restoration projects have also gained popularity, with many enthusiasts in England taking on the challenge of bringing old Massey Ferguson 135 tractors back to life. These restorations not only preserve the history of the tractor but also ensure that it continues to function for years to come. Workshops and online communities provide valuable resources, sharing tips and guides on maintaining and repairing these machines. The Massey Ferguson 135 is also a favorite among vintage tractor collectors. Events and tractor shows across England feature beautifully restored models, showcasing their timeless appeal. Seeing these tractors in pristine condition is a testament to their longevity and the dedication of their owners. For those looking to buy a Massey Ferguson 135 in 2025, there are still plenty of options available. Whether purchasing from an auction, a private seller, or a restoration specialist, buyers should look for well-maintained models with minimal mechanical issues. Checking the engine, transmission, and overall condition of the tractor is crucial before making a purchase. If you already own a Massey Ferguson 135, proper maintenance is key to keeping it running smoothly. Regular oil changes, checking the hydraulic system, and keeping the filters clean can go a long way in ensuring longevity. Many farmers and mechanics specialize in maintaining these tractors, making it easy to find expert advice and spare parts when needed. One of the most exciting aspects of the Massey Ferguson 135 in 2025 is its role in sustainable farming. With many farmers shifting towards eco-friendly practices, the tractor's fuel efficiency and low maintenance costs make it an excellent choice for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint. Some owners have even experimented with alternative fuels and electric conversions, pushing the boundaries of what this classic machine can do. In conclusion, the Massey Ferguson 135 remains a legendary tractor that continues to be valued in England in 2025. Whether for work, restoration, or collection, its reliability, affordability, and ease of use make it a preferred choice among farmers and enthusiasts alike. As technology advances, this tractor proves that sometimes, the classics never go out of style. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Massey Ferguson 135. Do you own one? Have you ever used one? We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on classic tractors and farming machinery. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. I've created a detailed YouTube script about the Massey Ferguson 135 tractor in England in 2025. Let me know if you need any modifications or additional details.